The ALGO 831 IP paging adapter makes it straightforward to connect modern voice over IP systems to existing analog amplifiers without replacing legacy hardware. Its support for wideband audio delivers clear, intelligible paging that stays understandable even in noisy hallways and factory floors. Because it behaves like a traditional telephone system paging port, it integrates cleanly with most unified communications platforms as a standard extension or multicast endpoint. The built-in scheduling functions let you automate bells, announcements, and tone signals, so routine events and shift changes run on time with minimal manual intervention. Multicast capability allows the adapter to feed both analog amplifiers and networked IP speakers at once, which is ideal for creating flexible paging zones across a campus or large building. Installers also appreciate the isolated balanced line output, which helps maintain audio quality and reduce interference when driving long cable runs to distributed speakers.